Hello everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre. The heatwave continues for parts of northern South Africa over the next 2 days, although there will be thunder showers over those areas, and we're going to continue seeing thunderstorms on the Highveld towards the end of this week as well. Intense heat and humidity is settling into parts of KwaZulu-Natal and in the Lowveld for today, where extremely uncomfortable conditions are expected. Quick look at yesterday's satellite loop, and there were thunder showers across the central and eastern parts. Some stronger storms occurred in KwaZulu-Natal, bringing fair amounts of rainfall to some areas. While today has started off mainly dry, a cold front has made landfall over the southwestern Cape. That's already brought a bit of rainfall to Cape Town and much of the peninsula. Now let's take a look at the rest of today's conditions, and things will start clearing up later on for that area as the cold front moves through. It's going to be a sunny day for the western interior, including much of the northern Cape, where temperatures remain fairly high in that region. Thunderstorms today on the Highveld once again, especially for the escarpment areas further eastwards. And later tonight, as the cold front continues to move up the coastline, we're going to see rain settling in for the garden route, and there'll also be rainfall moving up into KwaZulu-Natal, a bit of an onshore flow moving through that area. We'll see drizzle for the interior of that province later tonight as well. 2 alerts for today. The first is for a warning. That is for a high fire danger across the western interior. Once again, this has persisted for at least a week now. And the second is for the heat wave. It's an advisory, and this is for those very high temperatures continuing in the northwest, Gauteng, as well as parts of Limpopo, at least until tomorrow. Rain for parts of the Western Cape coastal belt as the cold front moves through. That will start clearing out of the peninsula as the afternoon goes on. Rain later on along the eastern coastline, pushing into the interior of KwaZulu-Natal and some parts of the Eastern Cape by later tonight. Before then, thunder showers for the Highveld as well as around the Drakensberg. We could even see scattered storms in places over Mpumalanga's high-lying areas. Gauteng, you're also in with a chance for today. Winds are going to be fresh to strong in places along the southern coastline of the country, especially in the Eastern Cape, where those southwesterlies get above 50 kilometers per hour at times. Very high temperatures in the north of South Africa as expected, but with the cold front moving through in the south, that's going to keep things milder, especially in the Western Cape. Temperatures in the 30s for the northern Cape interior, while a very hot day has been forecast for northern KwaZulu-Natal. Now for a closer look at some of the northern interior, and here we see temperatures across the northwest and Limpopo into the upper 30s and low 40s, especially hot in the Lowveld, along with the high humidity, resulting in very uncomfortable conditions for that area. 42 degrees for Phalaborwa, Skukuza getting up to an incredibly hot 43 today. Looking further ahead to Tuesday, and it's going to be sunny and warm to hot over the northern Cape once again. Rain along the eastern coastline, cooling things down, temperatures rising even higher for Gauteng. And by Wednesday, thunderstorms continue on the Highveld. Sunny for much of the western parts, but a cold front brings in some light evening rain for Cape Town.